Why? Why not just say what you want to say instead of using a damn symbol? Well, the answer is that using symbols is a shortcut, and not due to laziness as a lazy person might believe. Think of danger signs and stoplights, navigational aids on maps, and we use them because, believe it or not, our brains process symbols a hell of a lot faster than the written word. Symbols also serve as a bridge between something that's tangible and something that isn't. For instance, how would you define a new thought? And yeah, a thought is something that's intangible, and if you want to explain that, you have a new idea without words. Well, there's the old light bulb for that. And if you're thinking religion uses a shitload of symbology, well, you're right. So much so that symbolism is considered the language of religion, from statues to prayer beads with cathedrals thrown in.